Today we're going to be heading towards the mountain city of Faifa. It is located 100 kilometers from the city of Jizan, and the mountain roads to reach there are very beautiful. We're by Faifa and we came across this park which is overrun by baboons, and they're having a lot of fun enjoying the slides and stuff. Take a look. We're at a viewpoint at these coordinates, and yeah, it's actually quite beautiful. There is a ton of greenery and it's quite nice. You can see how they have cut steps onto the sides of the mountains for the farming. And there are some black clouds rolling in, and I hope it's not going to rain because we're camping here today. We are going to be camping at this viewpoint with some friends who joined us from Aba. In the morning, this is the view we have from our tent. So take a look. It's the morning and we're camping here, and you can see that there's a lot of fog in the valley. It's like completely covered with fog and we can't really see anything. And it's also foggy over here where we are right now, not just down in the valley. And it's also foggy up, higher up the mountain. Let me show you. Yeah, so you really can't see anything.